Hey everyone, this is Sanjay from Tinku Foodies. Craving for something sweet but healthy? These Coconut Almond Energy Bites are just what you need. They are soft, chewy, and full of wholesome goodness in every single bite. Packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, these energy bites are quick and nutritious snack, perfect for that on-the-go snacking or that little post-workout boost. Plus, they are no-bake, gluten-free, and come together in a matter of minutes. So, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, we'll start by making the almond flour. For that, we'll add some almonds to a blender or food processor and grind them to make the flour. Now it doesn't need to be a fine powder. A slightly coarse texture works just fine. And that's it. The almond flour is ready. Now, in a medium-sized bowl, we'll add 1 cup of desiccated coconut, 3/4 cup of the almond flour that we just made, 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup or honey, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence. We'll mix everything together using a spoon till it's well combined. Our energy bite mixture is ready. Now take a small portion of the mixture, roll it into a ball like this, and coat it with some more desiccated coconut. And that's it, ready to enjoy. We'll repeat the process with the remaining mixture to make some more bites. Made with just a handful of simple ingredients, these Coconut Almond Energy Bites are effortless, delicious, and satisfying. No baking, no fuss. Just mix, roll, and snack away. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So, if you have a sweet tooth and are looking for options for healthy snacking, do give this recipe a try and let us know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, the written recipe is in the description below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.